Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to use the EATA indicator for MT4. All right, if you want to download the indicator, just check the description below. You're going to find a link to download the indicator. After doing that, just head over to your indicators folder for MT4 and paste the indicator file in there. All right, after that, you head back to your navigator and refresh. After refreshing your navigator, you should find the EATA indicator here. If you still can't find it, then you might have to restart your terminal. Okay, so we're going to drag and drop, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. As for your input settings, you can see the default settings here for your CCI PER, your RSI PER, your MA period. This is CCI period, right? The RSI period, the MA period, your coefficient or coef, and then your arrows, right? If you want arrows to be enabled, you leave it on true. If you want it disabled, you put it at false. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like. It gives you buy and sell signals via the arrows, and then it also helps you to understand the prevailing momentum at the time. When the red line crosses above the blue line, it shows bearish momentum. Is beginning to take dominance, right? And then when the downward red arrow appears, it's a sell signal. On the other hand, when the blue line crosses above the red, it shows that bullish momentum is taking over. And then when you have the upward green arrow appears, it's a precise buy signal. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward and understandable. All right, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. And then don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. Okay, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.